Just imagine, what if you had a power that allowed you to bend anyone's thinking, their mood, their decisions, their reactions, everything? Whether it's your manager, a stranger, or that person you secretly like. This is not magic. This is psychology. The same psychology that powerful leaders, politicians, and influencers have been using for years to control people without them even realizing it. And in today's video, you're going to learn those dark psychological tools that can turn an ordinary person into a powerful mind influencer. But before that, a warning. All of this is for educational purposes only. Do not misuse it, because once you understand this, you will never see the world the same way again. First, let's talk about the power of silence. People think the one who talks more is stronger. But the truth is, real power belongs to the one who knows how to stay silent. Imagine you made a mistake. Tension is high at home. Your mother is scolding you angrily. But when you go in front of your father, he says nothing, just one look. And that silence freezes your entire body, because when the other person says nothing, your mind creates its own punishment. If you want to extract the truth from someone, don't ask, "Tell me the truth." Just say, "I already know everything," and then stay silent. The longer the silence, the stronger their guilt becomes, and they'll end up confessing on their own. This is called silent dominance. Now let's talk about emotional hijacking. Humans make most decisions not through logic, but through emotions. Fear, guilt, love, or pride. Whoever controls the emotion holds the remote control of the mind. Remember political speeches. They don't present facts, they awaken feelings. And under the influence of those feelings, you cast your vote. Later you wonder, why did I do that? But by then, the game is already over. People don't remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel. Now let's talk about the guilt trigger. Suppose your friend Arav promises to meet every time and every time cancels. If you say directly, "You never make time," he'll move even further away. But if you calmly say, "It's okay. If I really mattered, you'd probably find the time." That's it. Guilt gets activated. Now he'll message you himself, explain himself, and even apologize, without you forcing anything. You just showed an emotional mirror. Now a dangerous but powerful technique, the reverse trap. Humans desire the very thing they're told not to do. Tell someone, "Don't look back." And the first thing they'll want to do is look back. That's why when someone says, "Don't watch this video," your finger automatically clicks. Suppose you want your friend Kaber to do a task for you. If you ask directly, he might refuse. But if you say, "There was something, but forget it. It's a bit difficult. You probably can't do it," his ego gets hit, and he'll say, "Why can't I do it?" You didn't tell him to do it, yet he did. That's the reverse mind game. Now let's talk about becoming a master of choice. People think they make their own decisions. But the truth is, they only choose from what's placed in front of them. Suppose you want Rohan to go out with you. If you say directly, "Let's go out," he might say no. But if you say, "Should we go to Cafe Mocha or Blue Lounge?" Now he has two options. But the result is the same. He's going out with you. He feels the decision was his, but the control was yours. Brands do the same. Buy one, get one, or buy two, get 50% off. You were going to buy anyway. People don't want freedom, they want controlled freedom. By using all these techniques correctly, you can deeply influence someone's mind. And if this video gave you even a slightly new perspective, or helped you move even a step forward, make sure to subscribe to the channel.